make loans to real estate investors who buy and flip or refinance out of single family and small multifamily residential property. Right now we're operating in North Carolina and New Hampshire. North Carolina is a growth market, especially the Charlotte, Raleigh-Durham-Cary areas. New Hampshire is a pretty stable market, although the country as a whole is starting to flatten out. North Carolina especially does have promise over the next 10 years to be one of the biggest growth markets in the country. So what is it that gives BJF Lending a competitive advantage over, let's say, a traditional mortgage company or another hard money lender or private money lender, which we can talk about the difference between those two. A hard money lender is typically a little bit more institutionalized, whereas a private money lender is somebody who's smaller, like BJF Lending. The advantage that BJF Lending specifically has over a traditional mortgage company is that we're going in and giving loans to real estate investors who would not qualify for your typical mortgage on a home for a couple reasons. One, there's usually time constraints on these properties that they're buying that deem it just not feasible to get traditional mortgage lending, which can take 30 to 60 days to go through their full application process. On top of that, the properties themselves often require some type of work and wouldn't qualify for a normal, let's say, FHA or traditional bank underwriting model where they need the home to be move-in ready. And in that instance, it would require some kind of additional construction financing, and those types of loans just don't work for the properties that our client borrowers are purchasing.